In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Drive and locate the folder ID, all within a quick and easy 5-minute guide. We'll break it down into simple steps so anyone can follow along, even if you're not too familiar with how Google Drive works. Knowing how to find a folder ID can be very handy, especially for sharing specific files or organizing your cloud storage efficiently. Let's start by heading over to the homepage of Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you like, and type in Google Drive into the search bar. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be directly taken to your Drive's homepage. If not, don't worry, just sign in with your Google credentials and you'll be redirected. Now that we're on the Google Drive homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu, which includes options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and others. For our task, click on My Drive to view all your stored files and folders. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the folder you're interested in. After locating the folder you need, go ahead and click on it to open. It's as straightforward as a single click. This will display the contents of the folder. If you want to ensure you're viewing the correct folder, you can check the folder's name at the top of your screen, just above the list of files. Now comes the part where you find the ID. Look at the URL bar of your web browser. Directly after have folders in the URL, you'll see a long string of letters and numbers. This alphanumeric sequence is the folder ID. It's unique to each folder in your Google Drive, so you can use it to distinctly identify and access specific folders. This ID can be incredibly useful if you're performing actions that involve third-party apps or sharing links within a professional setup. And there you have it, you've learned how to navigate Google Drive to find a folder ID efficiently. This simple skill can greatly enhance your productivity, whether you're organizing your files or working on collaborative projects. If you need to share this ID with others, just be mindful of the permissions and privacy settings of your folder. Sometimes a bit of exploration and familiarity with the platform can open up new ways to streamline your workflow. Thanks for following along today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials to make your digital life a little simpler. Have a great day exploring your Google Drive.